Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Jeff Lawrence Mbaguyan, here to show you my work from home setup design that will help you be more productive. You may wonder why I say that this particular design will help boost one's productivity. To answer that, let's first define what makes a good work environment. When it comes to making a workspace appear more lively and productive, there are a lot of factors to consider. Because light is the only source of energy that people can see and work with, it is the most crucial component of any workspace. Light intensity is particularly important since it is the amount of light generated by a particular light source. Another important component of a workspace is sound, which can help in hearing and sending messages. But I have a question for you. Do you want to work in a noisy environment? Of course not, which is why soundproofing and absorption must be considered. Sound absorption is the process of absorbing sound and reducing sound reflection to lessen echoes. Sound reflection is the bouncing back of sound waves from surfaces. On the other hand, soundproofing is the act of preventing sound waves from entering or exiting a room. Now that we have defined what makes a good workspace, I'll explain why this particular room design is great for one. To begin, there is sufficient lighting. All lampshades, including the ceiling light, use LED light bulbs. Why LED light bulbs? Well, because they use less energy yet produce the same amount of lumens as other types of light bulbs would. However, keep in mind that the lower the wattage does not automatically imply less light, and vice versa. Light bulbs for lampshades should have 450 lumens or more, as this is enough for some everyday activities such as writing and reading. They should also have a color temperature of 2700 to 3300 Kelvin for a comfortable and warm atmosphere. Color temperature is a term used to describe the light appearance provided by the light source. For the ceiling light, however, it should have 1100 to 2000 lumens to sufficiently light the whole room. It should also be 3000 Kelvin or 3700 Kelvin in color temperature to make the room feel lively and energetic. This room design not only has a lot of light sources, but it also has a lot of windows, allowing for natural light. Second, there is excellent soundproofing and absorption. For soundproofing, this design uses door gaskets and thresholds to minimize sound waves from entering. Window inserts are also used, which create sound deadening air pockets to block outside noise. These tools are easy to get and can be found in most hardware stores. For sound absorption, curtains are used with 1 to 2 inches thick and made of good materials such as polyester fabric. The thicker the curtain, the more pores in the material that can trap sound waves. Sofas with soft fabrics like suede and microfiber are used to help absorb sound. Nylon fabric carpets are also used. These soften loud noises, resulting in a calmer, more peaceful indoor environment. This design also makes use of paintings or wall frames, which can absorb sound waves. But keep in mind that they should not be encased in glass. Well, that concludes my presentation today. I hope you have learned a lot, and I'd love to hear whether you think that this work from home setup design is great. Stay safe and God bless.